Is GoHenry safe? Mostly yes, but there are hidden risks parents and teens should know. It offers debit cards, chore tracking, and parental controls for kids. But controls can be complex and sometimes stop teens from learning money skills. Fees add up, about $3 per child per month, plus replacement and instant transfer charges. Privacy matters. The app collects spending data and may share it with partners. Users report slow customer support and trouble resolving fraud disputes quickly. Card limits or merchant blocks can prevent legitimate teen purchases in real life. Lost cards may incur replacement fees and delays before funds are secured. Sharing PINs or full access weakens safety and reduces teen accountability. Alternatives include prepaid cards, teen bank accounts, or apps focused on privacy. Always review terms, fee schedules, and independent user reviews before choosing. Research alternatives and use a simple checklist to compare safety, fees, and control.